We've been getting a lot of questions about our Cummins diesel cylinder heads. We offer these for 5.9 and 6.7. We start off with a genuine Cummins casting. There's no core charge, no return shipping to deal with. We start off with a bare casting, and then we perform all finished machine work here in-house. We start with a heavy-duty valve seat that offers a little bit more press fit than the factory valve seats do. The factory heads, especially on the 5.9 and 6.7, are pretty notorious for dropping valve seats, so we install a deeper seat with more press fit. It's a heavy-duty, high-quality valve seat that won't wear out. Then we go through and we resurface. We offer them, a standard deck surface, O-ringed or fire-ringed. We actually machine them for screw and freeze plugs standard. And then on these castings, we've actually added bosses for 1/8" pipe plugs for boost or water injection, nitrous, whatever you want to do. We've added a few extra sensor holes here. We have a few different valve and spring options. We offer a standard factory replacement valve. We offer a black stainless. These are a 21-4N. It's a 21-4N stainless valve. Those are black nitrided. These have proven well over 1,000 horsepower. They hold up very well. Then we also offer an in-canal option and oversize options. And then for valve springs, we offer a standard stock replacement spring, a 100-pound spring, and a 120-pound spring. We have some other custom options available as well. The standard valves and standard springs are great heavy-duty stock replacements. They'll work well in a stock turbo, stock injector setup. If you've got larger turbo and larger injectors, we would highly recommend stepping up to the black stainless steel valves here. Those have been proven to well over 1,000 horsepower. They work really well. We'd also step up to a 100-pound spring, or if it's compound turbos or really big single turbo, we'd go to a 120-pound spring, and those have worked really well too. We also offer standard deck surface finish, and then O-rings or fire rings. This head is fire ringed. This head is actually O-ringed. You can't see the deck surface, but there's some trade-offs there. The standard deck surface, if a stock turbo, stock injector is fine. If it's heavy duty, heavy towing, and or it's heavily modified, bigger turbo and injectors, we'd recommend the O-rings. If you're really shooting for 1,000 plus horsepower, I'd probably recommend the fire ring. Some pros and cons though. The O-ring is pretty much a set it and forget it. It works with your factory MLS gasket, the torque procedures, follow ARP's torque specs, and you won't have any problems. The fire ring, however, will require several hot retorques, and it's probably the best option on the Cummins engines for 1,500, 1,500 plus horsepower. And these heads have been proven at that power level. They work really well. We've had customers at UCC, the Outlaw Diesel Super Series that run these, and have had really good luck with them. The fire rings, however, are going to require several hot retorques. So, once you get everything installed, fire the truck up, and retorque the heads, let it cool off, fire it up again, and you go through several hot retorque cycles to make sure that the fire rings are seated. If you have any questions, give our sales team a shout or hit us up on Facebook or Instagram. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and let us know. We'll keep making more videos.